The next morning at the work meeting, the dispatcher gave out the jobs for the day to the other tugs. "Now," said the dispatcher, looking around, "who else do we have? Oh yes, I almost forgot. Hank." But Hank didn't toot his whistle. "Hank?" the dispatcher repeated. "I don't want to be called Hank anymore," replied Hank. "You don't?" said the dispatcher. "No. No one calls Theodore Teddy," Hank continued. "Well, no. No, they don't," said the dispatcher. "From now on," concluded Hank, "I want to be called Henry." Well, all the tugs turned to Hank, and then back to the dispatcher. The dispatcher was very quiet for a moment, and then he said, "Very well, Henry.